move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rancho Cucamonga local and long-distance movers near me. We pack and unpack all of your things and supply packing equipment. We respect your time and make sure to be punctual for every move. Don't worry about pricing either. We include a free quote for our affordable services so there aren't any surprises. Move your belongings safely by hiring our licensed movers at 3 Movers. Moving somewhere far from the place you have called home for the last few years is so exciting. Fresh memories to be made, new people to add to your family, and a whole scope of opportunities are on the horizon. Don't let having to pack up your things and move stand in the way of enjoying the start of a new chapter in your life. Our movers at 3 Movers will go the long haul for you and take great care to make sure all of your precious belongings arrive on time and without a scratch. If you're moving into a new home or office nearby, hire experienced movers at 3 Movers to help. You probably decided not to move very far because of the hassles that come with starting up in a distant place. So let our movers quickly get you settled into your new home or office in just one day. We can even pack up your things for you, making a local move a breeze. 3 Movers is a professional, full-service moving company. We handle all aspects of the moving process for long-distance and local moves for homeowners and businesses alike. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rancho Cucamonga moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.